Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on eToro. If you don't have an eToro account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 when you buy $100 worth of crypto. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page. At the bottom part, you'll see an option for Join eToro. Click on Join eToro. But if you already have an account, click on Login. Now, sign in with your username or email and password. For verification, a 5-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Once received, enter it on the field provided. Once you're signed in, search for Bitcoin on the search bar. Then click on the trade button beside BTC. Now, enter the amount you wish to buy. In this video, we're going to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. After entering, click on Deposit Now. Next, confirm the amount you're going to deposit. Then select the funding method. You can use PayPal, debit card, or bank account. In this video, we use a debit card. If you also select the same method, enter the debit card number, expiration month and year, as well as the CVV. After entering, click on Deposit. Once the deposit is completed, click on Got It. Review your order. If everything's good, click on the Open Trade button. After that, you will be given an option to share the trade. If you wish to, click on the Share button. Otherwise, click on the X icon. If you wish to check your purchase, click on the Portfolio tab at the left side menu. Here, you will see the status of your Bitcoin. That's how you buy Bitcoin on eToro. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.